Thunderstorm warning for Shelby County, Champaign County, Northeastern Preble County, Logan County, Southern Darke County, Clark County, Northern Montgomery County, Miami County, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near DeGraff to near Bradford to near New Madison, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dayton, Springfield, Huber Heights, Troy, Sydney, Piqua, Vandalia, Englewood, Belle Fountain, Greenville, Urbana, Tip City, New Carlisle, West Milton, Northridge, Versailles, Covington, Enon, Arcanum, and St. Paris.